Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Canva for social media posts, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Canva and create an account if you haven't already. Choose the social media option from the template categories. Browse through the various platform-specific templates available. Select a template that fits your brand style and message. Customize the template by changing text and colors to align with your brand identity. Use the toolbar to adjust font styles, sizes, and alignments as needed. Incorporate your brand elements, such as logos and images. Drag and drop relevant images or elements from the Canva library. Resize and reposition images for optimal layout and visual impact. Use the grid and alignment tools to ensure everything is well placed. Experiment with background colors or images to enhance visual appeal. Utilize the effects options to add depth to images or text. Preview your design to ensure it looks cohesive and professional. Download your completed design in the optimal format for the intended social media platform. Consider sharing directly to your social media accounts via Canva's publishing feature. Ensure that your design maintains high quality when uploaded to the platform. Monitor engagement on your social media posts to evaluate the effectiveness of your designs. Adjust future designs based on feedback and performance metrics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.